Perry, George, I'm going to be making 4 videos here that you guys will be seeing here shortly. It's 4 different assemblies. It's part of for what we need next week. I'm going to be recording them and timing them so what we're doing right now so we can all see what we're doing. Thanks.
I might have screwed up. I might have screwed up. Go ahead.
Well, I screwed up too because I only brought one. I only brought one. I can grab another one.
Let's go, Chris. This is Assembly B that we'll be building next.
Hello there, Lean Team. This is George, and this is Perry. And we're actually destroying our calories by having a huge mother bucket, refillable, of this new hockey team. This new hockey team called the Minnesota Wild. Oh, there she is! Awesome!
Oh, so that's half of my head and stuff here. It's good that we had it all here. And do it.
A bunch of screws.
Hey.
Hi!
Yo, hajime. Bottomed out, that's why.
Plastic tub here for the
Tell me what's changed.
I've added another tube here for another drill for tightening up the wire nuts.
Yep.
Okay, so this way there's no interchanging. We have a specific tool for it. Wires on this side, we need to bring them over.
Yeah,
To that side.
flip them over.
They got to be on this side.
Okay.
And when I squeeze,
Right.
I put my fingers here and put pressure on the box. It straightens everything out.
Okay, because I was going to say, if you had a stop on the front of it, that you can't do that because you can't see.
Do we want to put a little plate here?
We can, yep. To keep
A little
it
plate
sliding.
here to keep it
Well,
from
but the
sliding?
part of the problem you have with that is this bracket has to go down.
No, I understand. No, it actually goes, there's a space.
There is a gap.
There's a gap?
Yeah.
Okay, what do we got?
I'm going to put this bracket that stops the box.
Now, was Jeff talking about if you position it like this, now,
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
beautiful.
So we're gonna turn
That'll
that
be
off.
slick. Tell the world, Jeff, what the hell you're doing.
Yeah. I was building electrical stuff.
Yeah. All right. All right.
What I'm doing is I'm cutting MC cable for our in-wall project.
Okay, tell everybody the flow quickly, and then let's get started.
Okay, so what we do is we got our counters here. So we make sure our counter's set at 0 because we're going to cut an 18-foot cable here. We pull it through, start reeling it up here. I see the counter stops at 18, or I look at 18, stop it, pull the saw down, and then we cut the cable. I strip the other end. We tape it, put it off, put it on the stripper, put the connector on, bring it over to here to the production table.
And
on the production table, we build our box assembly from there.
Gotcha. All right, we're
Okay.
going to do 2 boxes.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
Reset okay?
Hi.
Yoi hajimasu.
phone going.
All right. Okay, let's keep going.
Yep.
Okay. My garbage can.
Keep on rolling. Yep.